Hey guys, just thought I'd do a quick update on what's going on in the garage. I just had this delivered today. Rust-oleum, basically epoxy garage floor kit. Just thought I'd give you a quick update on this. What's happening in the garage? I've been fixing my floor up, just putting a bit of carbog down, fixing some really sort of like some big huge divots and some small cracks that are in the floor. Some of them I'm sanding back. I'm just using a DA sander. But what I thought I'd show you, I've been running the DA sander off the airline today, probably about 4.5 hours worth of work, and obviously the compressor, spoken about before, it's a 15 CFM twin cylinder job that's right down the back of me yard and feeds up into me receiver dryer setup that I made out of this. But I just thought I'd show you this little tiny receiver dryer that's down here that regulates the pressure that goes through is about 90 psi. When I finished running the DA sander today, I come and had a look, and I was very surprised to see that my receiver dryer, the one that I've made with the desiccant beads, has actually started to turn pink down the bottom. It's just on one side sort of here. That's a reflection that you can see there, but it's working quite well. What I did notice though, this little one down here, when I shut the compressor down and blew the air out, this thing here was completely full. It was see if you can see some lines on here, but whatever. It was right up just above that black line there, so just about to start sort of running over and feeding up. So it's got an auto drain, so when the pressure drops, the water automatically feeds out the bottom. But so I've got to go and turn the compressor off and drain it out for that to happen, because I just normally leave the compressor on. But I turned it off and I bled the air out, and it did a good job. It drained out, got rid of it all. But once the pressure drops in there, this is spring loaded, so it basically, when there's no pressure, there's nothing holding the seal down, so it's out. So you can push it up and it'll bleed the air at the bottom. But it worked really well. As I said, it was full of water. But as I said, about 4 hours worth of work, and that's all I've got in the first canister. Is just a tinge of pink down the bottom. Obviously the air comes in, feeds to the bottom, up, out, back down. So there's nothing at all on that. And very impressed. Quite well. It's set up to run spray guns. I've run the DA sander on it. I know that's going to make the compressor work hard, because it uses a ton of air to do that. But I just cracked a beer and sat down on the floor with it and started sanding down all my bog work to patch up the floor before I do the nice what's hopefully will be the nice epoxy finish on my garage when I finish. Get things a bit more sort of sterile in here, and a bit more sort of paint booth friendly. I'm slowly working as hard as I can to try and cut down the dust in here when I do spray, and I think having a epoxy floor will make a big difference. I can get in here and just give it a quick hose out before I start with me spray gear and start painting and whatnot. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, all the best. See ya.